Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in the midst of doing my hair. I decided to do a twist out. I have never done so many protective hairstyles until we were in quarantine. Like seriously, because I never have the time and I'm literally like on the go because I work every single day and sometimes it's just too much of a hassle with the braids and the twists because sometimes I need more than one day for my hair to dry because I don't sit under the dryer or anything like that. So if every day I need my hair out because I can't just be walking around in a scarf at work, right? Like I don't really do protective hairstyles. But now that we're in quarantine, your girl is like constantly like twisting her hair up, braiding it. So today we're gonna do a twist out. I've already done half of it and I've been using, my containers are open, so I'm just gonna show you the lid. It's the OGX Quenching plus Coconut Curls leave-in butter. That's what I've been using as a leave-in conditioner. And then I've been using the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, the curling jelly. It's the first time using it, so that is what I'm using for this twist out. So we are just gonna continue to twist. I'm gonna show you this side of my head since I already got this side ready to go. Okay guys, so I am completely finished twisting my hair and I am going to let this sit. As you can see, I put a lot of product in there, so I need time for this to dry, and once it is completely dry, I will come back on here and show you guys the final look. Hey guys, it is 2 days later and I'm ready to take down my little twist here. So this is like what it looks like right now. Let us pray that this comes out looking like something, you know. I'm gonna go in with my oil. guys, this is the final look. So I am by no means a pro when it comes to twist out. It's just something I don't really do, but right now during quarantine, like I have nothing but time to play with my hair. So that's, it's just fun. That's all I'm doing. This is how it turned out. This is the final look. Like, I'm gonna keep playing with it because I really wish, I had more volume, but I like it. So this is gonna be like a series a little bit, probably just like 2 videos of protective styling during the quarantine. Like right now, this is a twist out, and then I'm gonna do a braid out. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, that concludes this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, stay tuned for the part 2 where I do the braid out. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.